Are you fed up wasting countless hours talking to unmotivated, unqualified prospects who aren't serious about starting a home-based business? My friend, this is a serious problem and we feel your pain. Every day it's becoming more difficult to get seen and near impossible to stand out from your competitors unless you want to spend a tiny fortune on ads. What if you found a fresh blue ocean chock full of your perfect prospects and dream clients who are eager to learn more about your business? Instead of fighting for scraps in a highly competitive blood-soaked red ocean. Would you risk $1 to see if LinkedIn could be the untapped goldmine to transform your business and bank account forever? You are invited to join the first ever Prospect and Recruit Professionals 5-day challenge to get motivated prospects, customers and new team members from the world's largest professional social media network, LinkedIn. Click the link in the description to get instant access to this 5-day training.